Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up onboarding on your Discord server. Onboarding helps new members get started easily by guiding them through rules, channels and roles. Let's get started. First, open Discord and go to your server. Click on the server name at the top left, then select Server Settings. To access onboarding, your server must be a community server. In the Settings menu, click on Enable Community under the Community tab. Follow the steps to set up basic community settings, then click Finish Setup. Once community features are enabled, you'll see a new option called Onboarding in the Settings menu. Click it. You can create welcome questions to guide users to the right roles or channels. Click Add a question and enter your prompt, e.g., what are you interested in? Add multiple choice options and link each option to relevant channels or roles. Select which channels you want new members to see by default. This helps them get familiar with important sections of your server. Once everything is set up, turn on the Enable Onboarding toggle at the top right. Click Save Changes, and that's it. You've successfully set up onboarding for your Discord server. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.